We will talk about how can you find your tickets on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, you just click on it. So when you just click here on this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find upcoming tickets here. You will find it here. And here you will find here past tickets. So like you see here, I have no tickets yet here in this list. So but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do to find your tickets. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.